মেশিন লার্নিং আসলেই কি? টেক জগতে এই টার্মটা আমরা প্রায় শুনে থাকি। Have you ever thought that you can teach your machine with only some data? Is it even possible? Yes, and that's the magic of machine learning. Machine learning এ career করাটা is one of the smartest decisions that you can ever take because more and more companies are now adapting machine learning in their operations ever more than before. Hey, it's me, Sara Karim, your machine learning instructor, taking you to the gateway of intelligence with technology. আপনি যদি মেশিন লার্নিং সম্পর্কে কিছু নাও জেনে থাকেন, then don't worry at all. This course will be the perfect guideline for you to go through the journey of machine learning. In this course, I will teach you the theoretical terms of machine learning algorithm such as support vector machine, regression model, classification model, and many more. And apart from it, you will learn how to implement it with Python programming. So, deri keno? Enroll now. Hope to see you in the class.